Title: Laiba's Kitchen Chronicles, A Potato Twist. Ent Cozy Kitchen Evening. Laiba, a spirited teenager in a bright apron, adjusts her camera. She smiles, ready to share her latest food experiment. Laiba, hey everyone. I'm Laiba, and today, we're taking humble potatoes and giving them a glow up. Not your boring old sabzi, this is a creamy, spicy, fusion-style potato veggie that'll blow your mind. Let's roll up our sleeves. Ingredients: 4 medium potatoes, peeled and cubed 1 medium onion, finely chopped 1 tsp, garlic paste 1 tsp, ginger paste, 2 green chilies, slice 1 tomato, chopped 1 tsp cumin seeds, 1 tsp mustard seeds, 1/2 tsp turmeric powder, 1 tsp red chili powder, 1 tsp coriander powder, salt to taste, 2 tbsp yogurt, 3 tbsp fresh cream, a handful of chopped coriander leaves, 2 tbsp oil, optional, 1/2 tsp garam masala for extra kick, a splash of lemon juice. Cooking method: Laiba. Okay. Step 1, let's build some flavor magic. 1. Boil the potatoes until just soft. Set aside. 2. In a pan, heat oil and toss in cumin and mustard seeds. Let them crackle. 3. Add onions, garlic, and ginger paste. Salt till golden. 4. Toss in green chilies and tomatoes. Cook until tomatoes soften. Now add the yogurt and cream. This is where the creamy twist comes in. Stir well. 5. Time for spices. Add turmeric, red chili, coriander powder, and salt. Cook till oil separates. 6. 7. Gently fold in the boiled potatoes. Mix to coat evenly. Cover and let it simmer for 5 minutes. 8. Sprinkle chopped coriander, squeeze some lemon juice, and if you're feeling fancy, a pinch of garam masala. Leave it. Smells like a warm hug in a bowl. Cut to Laiba plating the dish with naan on the side. Laiba. Cooking isn't about being perfect. It's about playing with flavors until they feel like home. Try this out and tell me potatoes, but make it glam, right? I've got remix ideas if you're interested. Want a version with rice? Or maybe something you can stuff in a paratha wrap?